What is going on, my people? It's my Marvel DC here, and I'm back. Yes, I'm back and better than ever. I'm back and better than ever because I need to take care of some stuff with my dad, and yeah, I need to help my biggest brother and his wife. Yeah, this dude over here. Hey, these are two brothers. We have to take care of this one. Don't fight with him, kitty. This guy's named Chico. This guy's name, what's his name? Kitty. It's okay, get along. They're both mixes, Siamese, and it's okay. It's okay, dude. It's okay. We have to take care of this one because of my biggest brother. And get it? I'm brothers with him, and they're two brothers. Get it? No. Stay. Come on, look, you guys look good. We have to take care of this guy. This is when he gets on beds. I don't know why. I think they taught him that. So. It's okay, boy. It's okay, boy. Hey, where you going? Aw. It's okay, he's embarrassed on getting looked from the fan. Okay, come on, man. There's people want to see you. Come on, dude. Oh, thank you. This guy is ours because we traded him because here's the story. How we got these two, because there's this lady that they wanted them, and and both of them, and yeah, we had to take care of these two over here, and this one, this one over here, and this one, and yeah, but then my biggest brother came because we were about to have a pug, and yeah, we trade on this dude over here, and yeah, we traded him for the pug and him, and we had this guy over here. Yeah, go show you my pet. Walk over there.
There, you put the pieces together and
Ignore that, right? There's my other dude over there. Yeah, I'll do this. Okay. Let's go.
you may not take it out.
To the journey
That's very
of all my pets. I forgot my flashlight. Alright. There's my pug over there. Okay. Right there, he's right there. Yeah, there he is.
It's a half pound.
Okay. So, that's that. And yeah, hide my tablets. No, it's okay, Chico. The fans want to see you. Here, it's a boy. I'm gonna make some other videos tomorrow, alright? But have it. Alright. Well, why do you want